Back to the next session. That is worksheet 4 part 2. So let us wait for some more time. Let other people also do join. Yeah. So guys, let us move forward with few more important MCQs from bank reconciliation statement as a part of MCOM entrance multiple choice questions wave. Yeah guys, kindly do subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates. సో ఎవరు కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకూడదు. ఎవరైనా చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే కంపల్సరీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ట్యాప్ చేయండి. అండ్ గైస్, వన్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అప్డేట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇస్ కైండ్లీ జాయిన్ అవర్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ఫర్ మోర్ డిస్కషన్స్, నోట్స్ అండ్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్. సో వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ మన వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ గో టు అవర్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వీడియో అండ్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ ద వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ ఫర్ విచ్ యూ కెన్ జాయిన్ ఫర్ in which you can directly join for our WhatsApp group in order to get notes and all. Yeah, guys, let us have some more people. Chalo. So, guys, the main purpose of preparing a bank reconciliation statement is like, see, try to understand the main intention of the bank reconciliation statement, guys. So, normal ga, a institution, any institution or any kind of business organization will maintain all its transactions in the two books generally. So, manual method, it is bank method. Bank method. See, very important thing. So, సర్వసాధారణంగా మాన్యువల్ మెథడ్ ఉంటుంది యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ సో బ్యాంక్ మెథడ్ ఉంటుంది. సో మాన్యువల్ మెథడ్లో వి ప్రిపేర్ క్యాష్ బుక్. సో బ్యాంక్ మెథడ్లో ఇట్ ఈస్ పాస్బుక్. ఓకే, యా. సో వెల్ డన్. Try to understand here. So in the cash book generally, all the debit sides we record receipts, and credit side we record payments. సో పాస్బుక్ లో చూసినట్లయితే ఆల్ ద డెబిట్ సైడ్ వి డూ రికార్డ్ సో అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ మేడ్, పేమెంట్ మేడ్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్యాంక్, పేమెంట్ బై బ్యాంక్. సో క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద అమౌంట్ బీయింగ్ రిసీవ్డ్ బై ద బ్యాంక్, అవర్ బ్యాంక్. సో పాస్బుక్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అవర్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్. సో సమ్ టైమ్స్ కొన్నిసార్లు ఏం జరుగుతుంది అంటే యు మే ఫైండ్ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ differences. Differences. See, very much important. Try to understand. So these differences. Why? What are the reasons behind these differences? ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఎందుకు డిఫరెన్సెస్ వస్తున్నాయి అని తెలుసుకోవడానికి వి ప్రిపేర్ బిఆర్ఎస్. వెరీ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సర్వసాధారణంగా బ్యాంక్ రీకన్సిలియేషన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనేది ఎందుకు ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాము అని అంటే we do prepare bank reconciliation statement in order to evaluate or in order to find or in order to look after what is the difference and what kind of differences are being found, or what are the differences are being, what are the reasons behind the difference between the cash book as well as passbook entries. సర్వసాధారణంగా cash book లో కానీ passbook లో కానీ differences ఎందుకు వస్తున్నాయి? So what are the reasons in this context? So we do prepare bank reconciliation statement. So this is what generally happens. So sir, ఏ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది? when it in the case of cash book we prefer debit balance. In the passbook we prefer credit balance. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్. సో ఈ యొక్క కాంటెక్స్ట్ లో ఈ మ్యాప్ ని మీరు కనుక గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నట్లయితే, ఇఫ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ మ్యాప్ 100% దిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు హెల్ప్ యూ రియలీ ఫైన్. సార్, క్యాష్ బుక్ అనేది డెబిట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉంది అని అంటే ఏమంటారు? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫేవరబుల్ బ్యాలెన్స్. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ డెబిట్ బ్యాలెన్స్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ ద క్రెడిట్ బ్యాలెన్స్, దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి అన్ఫేవరబుల్. సో వెరీ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. డెబిట్ అంటే ఎప్పుడైనా ఫేవరబుల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చూపిస్తుంది. If it is a credit balance, if it is showing credit balance, it is unfavorable. Yes guys, in the same way, if the passbook is showing debit balance, it is unfavorable balance. If it is showing the credit balance, it is favorable balance. So this is all about the bank reconciliation statement. Yes guys, yeah. We are just moving. Important ఈ టెక్నిక్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. You can solve all the questions. Yeah, we are moving. Fine, we are moving. So guys, the main purpose of preparing a bank reconciliation statement, ఎందుకు ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం? Why do we prepare bank reconciliation statement? So let us get some answers from these guys. Why do we prepare bank reconciliation statement? Just now we have discussed to know the bank balance, to know the balance of the bank statement, to correct the cash book, or to identify the causes of difference between the cash book and bank statement. So obviously to identify the causes of difference between cash and bank statement. So cash book lo gaani bank statement lo gaani differences enduku vastunayi ani telusukodaniki, కారణాలు తెలుసుకోవడానికి, in order to identify the differences between the cash book and bank passbook, we prepare bank reconciliation statement. Option D. Yeah. See, very much important. Try to understand guys. See, favorable balance means, see, try to understand. In the cash book and in the case of passbook, in the cash book and in the case of passbook, cash book should show the debit balance, whereas passbook should show credit balance. That is what we have discussed in the earlier slide, isn't it? So passbook అనేది credit balance చూపించాలి, cash book అనేది debit balance చూపించాలి. Only then it is called as favorable balance. In the due course, favorable balance means what? Credit balance in the cash book, credit balance in the bank book, debit balance in the cash book. See, bank statement lo credit balance it is yes, cash book lo debit balance it is yes. Then option B and C is the correct answer. Yes guys. Ha. Very good. When check is not paid by the bank, it is called as, see very much important, ఏ అమౌంట్, ఏ చెక్ కి అయితే బ్యాంక్ అనేది అమౌంట్ పే చేయలేదో ఆ చెక్ ని ఏమంటారు అని అంటే, whenever X is a customer or X is a person whose account is in the SBI bank, so X అనేవాడు Y కి చెక్ ఇష్యూ చేసినాడు, X has issued a check to the Y towards Y, of SBI Bank. Y went to the SBI Bank and he deposited the check, but bank has not paid any amount. This check is called as dishonored check. Dishonored, yes. So since the bank has not paid for the check being issued by the party, so that particular check is called as dishonored check. Yes, guys. See, on the bank statement, cash deposited by the company is known as, very much important. Bank statement law, whatever the cash being deposited by the company. So, whatever the amount that is being deposited, it is purely credit, right? Yes, guys. It is called as credit. Yes? Yeah. Yes, yes. Next. Yeah, guys, kindly subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates. The check which is issued to the creditor but is not presented for payment. So we have issued a check to the creditor, but see, X has issued a check. X has issued a check to the Y of his SBI bank account. So Y has not gone to the bank. Y has not presented it. So that is called as pending check. That is outstanding check. It is pending. It is pending. It is outstanding check. Okay. The outstanding check is the missing entry of what? The outstanding check is a missing entry of what? Passbook. It is purely a passbook. Outstanding check is pending check it is a missing entry of passbook. Why? Because cash book lo already were deduct chesaru kada. See, X issued a check to the Y. See, immediately after issuing, he will enter into the cash book. Since cash book will be with X, a cash book అనేది X తో అంటే X వారి దగ్గరే ఉంది కాబట్టి వారు ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా వాళ్ళు ఎంటర్ చేసి ఉంటారు. But if that particular check has been presented in the bank, only then it will be recorded in the passbook. So outstanding check ante, outstanding check is that check which has not yet presented in front of the bank. So bank mundu present cheyaledu. So since it has not been presented in front of the bank, it is not recorded. It is not entered into the passbook. Since the entries in the passbook will be done by the respective bank authorities. Since it has not been presented in front of the bank, so recordings has not been entered in the passbook. Good question. Unpresented checks, very much important. So unpresented checks ni emantaru? Unpresented checks are those checks which are for which the amount is pending. So since it is pending, it is outstanding check. Yes, guys. Yeah, very good, very good. Varshita, Niharika, Lahari, Archana, you people are doing really very well. Haha. Next. So in the cash book, bank charges of rupees 5,000 was not recorded. Name the current cash book. In the cash book, bank charges of rupees 5,000 was not recorded. Name the correct cash book adjustment. In the cash book, bank charges of rupees 5,000 was not recorded. Name the correct cash book adjustment. It will be credited in the cash book. It will be debited in the cash book. No adjustment needed in the cash book. Charges will be added to the cash book balance. No. See, bank charges of rupees 5,000 was not recorded. Where it will be recorded automatically, it will be recorded in the passbook. But it is not recorded in the cash book. So in order to get the correct balance, we have to record it as a payment. It is a deduction. Payment is nothing but it is again credit. So it will be credited to cash book. It will be credited in cash book. Since it is a type of deduction, all the deductions in the cash book will be credited. All the additions will be all the additions in the cash book will be debited. All the deductions will be credited. So that is reverse in the case of passbook. Ha. So what type of checks is that which is issued by the firm but not yet presented to the bank? Again the same question. So what type of check is that which is issued by a firm but not presented to the bank. It is outstanding check. Outstanding check. Ha, guys. Again, guys, I would like to go for it. Try to understand. Do guys kindly subscribe our channel. See, for any kind of institution or business organization, generally there are two types of methods: the manual method and bank method. In the manual method, we prepare the cash book. Entries will be recorded in the cash book. Where in the case of bank method, the recordings or entries will be done in the passbook. The differences between the entries in the cash book and passbook will be called as. In order to find them, we do prepare bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared only in order to find the differences, or in order to know what is the reason for the difference between the total balance of cash book as well as the total balance of passbook. So tarvata, then after what exactly sarvasadharananga passbook law, passbook will be recorded on behalf of the bank account that customer has, or the business has. So passbook generally shows credit balance, cash book generally shows the debit balance. Is that very clear? Yeah. So on the debit side, all the receipts will be recorded. For the credit side, all the payments will be recorded. Where in the case of passbook, so payment made by the bank will be considered on the debit side, and received by the bank, whatever the amounts being received by the bank will be recorded credit side. I hope it is very clear. So this is a very basic logic behind it. So when it comes to um, see, very much important. When it comes to the favorable balance, cash book always shows a favorable balance when it has a debit balance. Where in the case of passbooks, generally the passbook shows a favorable balance when it has a credit balance. Unfavorable balance is something reverse. So in the case of cash book, if it shows a credit balance, it is unfavorable. Where in the case of passbook, if it shows the debit balance, it is unfavorable. That's it for the day, and we are coming with the next worksheet very soon. Very soon. Stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you for joining. And don't forget to kindly subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates. So guys, then after, I do request everyone to join the WhatsApp group if any not yet. And WhatsApp group link is being provided in the description of this video. So guys, thank you, and we are coming back. So, Varshita Siri, there is a question from you. Do we need to prepare the cost accounting and income tax? So, not really, ma, not really required. Cost accounting and income tax are not the part of CPZ. It is a part of Central University Entrance Exam, that is CUET. Okay, it is nowhere related to CPZ. Your not preparation of cost accounting and income tax is purely exempted. Not required to prepare. Thank you, and we'll join you back very soon.